Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how I can fix if you can't click anything on the desktop. So if you cannot click anything on the desktop like the desktop icons or your taskbar, so let's go quick into the process on how we can fix that. So in your keyboard, look at the Windows key. We need to press the Windows key and letter R button together. Again, it's Windows key and letter R button together to open the Run window. Type here Task MGR. It's Task MGR and click on OK. Now the Task Manager window will appear. Maximize this. Then here in the search bar, type Explorer. Make a right click on your Windows Explorer. Select Restart. So once you have restarted the Windows Explorer, let's wait for the icons to be back on the desktop. Now once done, close this window. And again, you have to make a click on the Windows key and the letter R button together to open the Run window. Again, make a click on the Windows key and letter R button together to open the Run window. Type here Task MGR. Then you have to click on OK. And this will again open the Task Manager window. Now you have this button, the one with the plus sign symbol, create a new task or run new task. Click on that. Now here in the box, type CMD. Check this box, create this task with administrative privileges. Now click on OK. And this will bring up and open the command prompt with administrative privileges. Type here SFC space / scan now. This will scan for and repair system corrupt files. SFC space / scan now. Hit enter. So this process will take some time. This will start from 1% and will go up to 100%. So let's just wait for this. So once this goes up to 100%, you can just simply type exit or simply close the window. Now before we are going to make a restart of our Windows, let's make sure that our Windows is updated first. So click on the Windows key on your keyboard. Again, click the Windows key on your keyboard. Then click on Settings. Then in the list of options on the left pane, click on Windows Update. Then simply click what it suggests right here, like download and install updates or check for updates. So once your Windows is updated, close this and then again press the Windows key. Then you have to click on this power button and then click restart to restart your Windows. So that's it. If any of the solutions helped you in fixing the issue, kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.